I'ma be happy, I'ma be good. You better believe it, I'ma be happy, I'ma be good. Get that understood.
Hi everyone, it's your girl Amina Mahogany back again for another video. So welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a protective style and twist with the CURLYLOCS products. So before I did an unboxing of the CURLYLOCS products, and today I'm finally going to get a chance to use them. My hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. It has no product in it. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. So I do want to mention a few things. First of all, I've already done the back of my head just to speed up the time frame of this video, and so I'm just going to show you how I do my twist here. I am using the lock method, which is leave-in, oil, and a cream. In this case, it will be the leave-in, the oil, and a gel to secure my twist and to lock in the moisture from these products into my hair. Normally, I have a concern about product buildup and flaking, and so I was concerned about these three products and how they were going to turn out, but it actually turned out that there was no flaking at all once they dried. I have not shown at the end of this video the dry twist, but I will do that on Instagram Live tomorrow, and then in a couple of days I'll take them down so that we can see what the final result is. But I will tell you that there was no product buildup, there's no flaking. I've been able to wear my hair in a protective style, meaning these twists that I currently am doing in this video, for a few days now, and that's really good because my hair likes low manipulation styles, and I've just been able to spray water on my twist and add some moisture with oil or a pomade on my twist and then go every day. So I will say that these products are really good if you have 4 type hair that is susceptible to flaking, or any hair really that is susceptible to flaking and product buildup. These did not give me any of those type of results. The next thing that I want to talk about is the smell of the products. So the leave-in conditioner smells very good. It does have a hint of peppermint in it, but it's not a really strong peppermint smell. It smells more like bubble gum to me. The oil that I used, the first ingredient is olive oil, and let me tell you, this oil smells exactly like olive oil, even though it has other oils infused in it as well. But you don't overall get a scent of the olive oil left in your hair, at least I didn't. And as for the flaxseed gel, it was very light. I would suggest if you have all 4C type hair that it may not give you the biggest amount of hold. I did try to do finger coils with this gel at first, and it just wasn't giving me enough hold, but it did work out for these twists okay. So yeah, but other than that, the products smell fine. It didn't leave any extra smell on my hair, and I was able to just go. So I briefly touched on the fact that the hold of the flaxseed gel was not enough for me to secure tight finger coils on my hair. I did try them with various amounts of the gel just to see if more gel would help, and it did not. I will suggest that if you are using these products to do finger coils, that you do extremely small sections. If you have 4 type hair, that may help you out. Otherwise, if you have 3, 2, or 1 type hair, I wouldn't suggest it for 1 type hair, but if you have 3 or 2 hair, these products should work fairly well together for you. Overall, these are really great products. I will be using these again in this way for my hair. They don't give me that much hold, but if I have a style that I want to do like this, then I will be going back to use them. Even though I was skeptical about the products because of the way that they came in the mail, these are really good products. The consistencies are not heavy at all. It's very thin, so if you don't like a lot of product on your hair, this is perfect for you. I would give this a 9 out of 10. I mean, these are really great products. Okay, so that's it for this video. I will see you on Instagram Live and with another video on Saturday. Peace, love, and blessings to all of you.